Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning English with William, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, William, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's fantastic to be back with you today.
It really is. How are you today, Emily?
I'm doing great, thank you. I have my tea and I'm ready. How about you?
I'm very well, thank you. I'm excited about our topic today.
Ooh, yes, you said we have a very important topic. What is it?
Today we are going to answer a big question, a question every English learner asks.
Oh, what is the question?
The question is, how do I learn English fast?
Yes, fast. I like fast. Everyone wants to learn fast. But William, fast sounds difficult.
It is a great question, and yes, fast can sound difficult. Many people ask, is 10 minutes every day good? And yes, 10 minutes is good.
It's a good start.
Yes, a good start, but is it fast? Maybe not.
So, how do we go fast?
To go truly fast, you need three things, not just one, three.
3 things? Okay, I'm listening. I have my notebook ready.
Good. You need number one, a plan.
A plan. Okay, I like plans.
Number two, effort.
Effort, huh? That sounds like work.
Yes, it is work, smart work. And number three, this is very important, rest.
Rest? Like sleep?
Yes,
Wait, effort and rest? Work and sleep? That's interesting.
it is, they work together. So, are you ready for the fast plan?
I'm ready.
Me too, but before we start, we want to ask you for a small favor.
Yes, please do. If you like our podcast and you want to learn with us, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, Learning English with William.
Yes, and please give this episode a like, big thumbs up, and if you can, share it with your friends and family. It helps our channel grow, and we appreciate it so much.
Yes, we do. Okay, William, I'm ready. Give me step 1, the plan.
Step one is the plan or your routine.
My routine. Okay.
Many people study for 4 hours on Saturday, and then nothing on Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday.
Yes, Saturday is a long day and then I forget everything.
Exactly. Your brain forgets. A better plan is not 4 hours on one day. A better plan is maybe 30 minutes, but every day.
30 minutes every day. Okay, I can do that. That's not too long.
It's not. But here's the secret to the plan. Don't do the same thing every day.
Oh, why not?
It gets boring.
Yes, very boring. So what do I do?
You make blocks, time blocks. Each day you have a different focus.
A different focus? Tell me more.
For example, Monday, 30 minutes of listening. Tuesday, 30 minutes of reading. Wednesday, 30 minutes of writing.
Ooh, listening, reading, writing. What about Thursday?
Thursday, 30 minutes of vocabulary. We'll talk about that. And Friday, maybe speaking.
Wow, I love this. Monday, listening. Tuesday, reading. Wednesday, writing. The routine isn't boring. It's different every day.
Yes, exactly. It keeps your brain fresh and excited. That's a good, fast plan.
Okay, so Monday is listening. I can listen to Learning English with William for 30 minutes. That's easy. Is that the effort?
Perfect question, Emily. And that brings us to tip 2, effort.
Effort. Okay, what does that mean exactly?
Listening to our podcast is good. Very good. But it's passive listening.
Passive? What does that mean?
Passive is when you just listen, maybe in your car or while cooking. It's good, but your brain is a little sleepy.
Yes, my brain is sleepy when I cook.
To learn fast, you need to be active.
Active, like going to the gym?
Not quite the gym. Active means your brain is working, you're doing something.
What can I do?
And this is the big tip for everyone listening. This is how you use our podcast to learn fast.
Ooh, a secret tip. I'm ready.
Don't just listen. First, get a notebook, a special English notebook.
Okay, I have my notebook.
Second, when you hear a new word, what do?
I just keep listening?
No, you pause the episode.
Pause. Got it.
Then take your notebook and pen and write the new word.
Write the word. Okay, pause and write.
Yes. And one more thing, repeat the word out loud.
Repeat it? So I speak?
Yes. If you hear table, pause, write table, and then say table.
Wow, that's very different. So the tip is pause, write, repeat.
That's it. Pause, write, repeat. That, my friend, is active effort.
I see. My brain isn't sleepy now. It's working.
It's working hard. You hear the word, you see it when you write, and you speak it when you repeat. You use 3 senses. Your brain will remember that word. That's fast learning.
Wow. Pause. Write. Repeat. I'll never forget that. Fantastic tip, William.
The best tip. Okay, now your notebook is full of new words. Table, happy, sunshine, coffee.
Many words. What do I do now?
Great question. That brings us to tip number 3, the review day.
The review day? What's that?
This is part of your blocks plan. Maybe Saturday?
Saturday is my review day. What do I do?
You don't learn new words.
No new words? But I want to go fast.
Yes, but you must not forget the old words. If you learn 10 new words but forget 10 old ones, you're not going fast. You're standing still.
Oh, that's true. I learn apple, but forget banana.
Exactly. So on review day, open your notebook. Look at all the words you wrote.
I see table, happy, coffee.
Yes, and review them, read them, say them again, make sentences.
Like the coffee is on the table or I am happy.
Perfect. You used your new words. Reviewing makes them stay in your brain forever.
This is a real plan. Blocks plan, active effort, and review day.
You got it.
I'm excited, but also a little tired just thinking about this. It's a lot of work.
And that, Emily, is the final tip. Rest.
Rest? No, I want to go fast.
Yes, you can, but your brain is a muscle.
A muscle? Like my arm?
Exactly. You lift weights. Your arm gets tired. You rest. Your muscle grows. Your brain is the same.
Wow, I never thought about it that way.
A tired brain learns slowly. A happy, rested brain learns fast.
So sleeping well is part of my fast English plan?
Yes, it's the most important part. Sleep well, take breaks, go for walks, watch something funny.
So it's okay to stop studying.
It's important to stop. Your brain needs time to organize new words. Table goes here, happy goes there. It does this while you rest.
Amazing. Rest is part of learning.
Yes. Don't study for 5 hours. Study for 30 active minutes or 1 focused hour. Then rest.
That's smart. That's fast.
Exactly. Let's review the plan one more time. The Learning English with William Fast Plan.
I like that. Let's go.
Step 1. Have a plan or routine.
Step 2. Use active effort.
Step 3. Have a review day.
Step 4. Rest.
A happy, rested brain is a fast brain.
I feel like I can really do this.
You can, and everyone listening can too.
Wow, time flies when we're having fun.
It really does. And thank you for these great ideas, Emily.
Thank you, William. I'm starting my blocks plan tomorrow.
That's wonderful. We hope these tips help all of you watching. Remember, a good plan is the secret to going fast.
So true. And now, before we go, we'd love to hear from you.
Please leave a comment. Tell us your English learning routine.
Do you write the words from our podcast? Do you have an English notebook? Tell us below.
We love reading your comments. It's our favorite part of the week.
It really is. And don't forget to subscribe to Learning English with William and share this video with your friends and family.
Let's help everyone learn English faster in a smart way.
Thank you so much for watching today.
Yes, thank you, everyone. We'll see you next time.
Until then, keep smiling, keep learning, and remember, English is not hard, it's just practice.
That's right. Take care, everyone, and
Bye for now.